Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about selecting and loading a base map to your ThunderMax ECM. As you can see here, I already have my ThunderMax tuner software pulled up, and I am currently linked to my ThunderMax module. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to EFI maps, and I'm going to come down for this particular demonstration to throttle by wire maps. We're going to click that. Make sure that Show All Maps has been clicked. As you can see here, there are quite a few maps to choose from. And how we're going to work this is we're simply going to narrow down our selection process. For this particular bike, I have a 103, and we're always going to start with engine type. We'll come over to the engine type column and right click on any one that says 103. Once we've done that, you can see that the 103 selection is the only thing that's pulled up. The second thing that we're always going to want to do is we're going to want to slide over to cam, and then we're going to pick the cam that is in our motor. For this particular instance, we're going with the Redshift 577. Same thing, I'll come over to that cam column and right click on any of the 577 cams for this particular demonstration. And once I've done that, we can see that all I have listed are the 577 maps. So what I'm going to do then is come right over here to the throttle. This is going to talk about our throttle body and the size of our throttle body. And for this particular demonstration, we're using a stock throttle body. So what I'll do from that moment is I will right click on the stock throttle body selection. And you can see here that we only have one map selected now. What we're going to do is double click, and it's going to pull up all the parameters of this map. We'll come down and click Load Base Map, and you can see when I click Load Base Map that it actually loads it onto the screen. Okay, if you have another map pulled up, you're going to want to make sure that you have the correct one pulled up. For this case, I picked map number 300. Okay, now that we've got that all out of the way, we know that our map is loaded. We see map number 300 right there on top. And what we're going to do next is go to EFI maps. We're going to go to map editing, and we're going to go down to Write Module Maps and Settings. And if we click that, just need to make sure that we are putting the correct map in and that we're going to set it to the running position. You can see here as it's going through its transfer process, and it is writing all the maps currently to the module. We see here now that it's going ahead and it's finishing its transfer process, and we can see now by looking at this with the red dots, we are good to go, and our map has been loaded to our module.